Introducing the 2021 Ford Puma ST-Line X in stunning blue. This SUV comes loaded with features like satellite navigation, ambient lighting, and lane departure warning for your comfort and safety. With only 4,000 miles on the clock and a 1-litre petrol engine, this manual transmission vehicle is a joy to drive. The sleek interior boasts cup holders, luxury trim, and more. Stay connected with Bluetooth phone and Wi-Fi network. Plus, stay secure with anti-collision system and traction control. This vehicle has had a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit hillsford.co.uk for more information today.